morning, Romeo. Nice to meet you in person. You've been quite a pain in the ass, do you know that?
I'm a try, but I'll make one last mistake. It's not easy to say more, and everybody knows that for sure. His name was Dallas and he was not shy. He took me with his arms and lifted me high.
We could tell you all of that, but we won't. Because at Kronospan, we believe that design should always make life better.
Ако не възразяваш, аз ще си взема една. Истинце? Една биричка?
То май в наше време по-скоро трябва да почнат да се крадат момчетата.
Много смешно.
Не е ли така?
Не. Истинце? Ти ке се ядосаш ли, ако си взема още една биричка?
Има, гледай, така не те прихвана.
Тия пък защо се наричат марваци? Да не би да мъркат.